Hello again. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I hope you all well through this pandemic time. Okay. Uh I'm gonna show you how to fix global dimming on Samsung TV TU8000 on new firmware 2014.1. Let me show you real quick. This is a new firmware right now, but this is still not fix the global dimming, so we're gonna do it. How to fix global dimming on new firmware. Turn off. To go service menu, use the regular remote. We do it again, like my channel before. Press info, menu, mute, power. Go to SVC, go to other settings, press call data restore, press OK, back, go to advanced, press and hold volume up between 5-7 seconds. Use one remote. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Look, this is a new firmware on my TV, Samsung TV TU8000 or for our new model. Go to picture 2D, subsettings. We're gonna do it again because on new firmware it's still not fixed global dimming. Set to 100. This one too, PWM MIUI. Leave PWM mid 8, leave PWM min 0, leave default, don't change it. Press back, go to EPA. Okay, on new firmware model, firmware 2014, there's two standard backlight, but I don't know what's for. Go to echo sensor. If we don't change it, it will not work. It will doesn't fix the global dimming. Set to 0, press OK, set to 0. Set motion lightning to 0 and set to 0 for tag echo sensor. Press back. Turn off your TV. Turn on again. It will fix your global dimming on new firmware model, because on Samsung TV new firmware still doesn't fix the global dimming. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave like and subscribe, and stay safe and healthy. Thanks everyone.